Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the automobile chargers featured in this video, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences with any of these chargers. Few things are more frustrating than hopping into your car with a nearly dead phone, plugging in a charger and realizing it charges painfully slow, tangles your cables, or stops working after a few weeks. Whether you rely on your phone for navigation, music, or hands-free calls, a weak car charger can turn a simple drive into a stressful experience. Today's countdown is here to fix that problem by showcasing some of the best automobile chargers you can buy right now, helping you stay powered up, organized, and stress-free on every trip. Starting this countdown at number 5 is the BERTHALESS retractable car charger, a compact and clever charging solution designed for drivers who hate cable clutter. This charger features a built-in retractable cable that smoothly extends and retracts with a gentle pull, helping keep your car interior neat and organized. It is designed to plug directly into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket and delivers reliable charging power suitable for smartphones, GPS units, and other USB-powered devices. The charger is built with durable materials and a reinforced cable structure to withstand frequent daily use, and its compact body ensures it does not block other dashboard controls or ports. In real-world use, the BERTHALESS retractable car charger stands out for its simplicity and convenience, especially for drivers who frequently get in and out of their cars. The retractable design eliminates tangled cables and makes it easy to share charging access with passengers. It is a great choice for commuters and rideshare drivers who want a clean, no-fuss setup. The only minor drawback is that its charging speed is solid, but not the fastest compared to higher wattage premium options, though it still offers dependable performance worth the price. At number 4, we have the Car Charger 2-pack 3.4A fast charge set, which offers excellent value for drivers looking to charge multiple devices without overspending. Each charger in this 2-pack provides a combined output of up to 3.4 amps, allowing you to power 2 devices at once through dual USB ports. The compact design fits snugly into most car sockets, while built-in safety protections guard against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This charger supports a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, Bluetooth accessories, and dash cams. What makes this 2-pack especially appealing is its practicality and affordability, making it ideal for families with multiple vehicles or drivers who want a spare charger for emergencies. It delivers consistent charging speeds that are noticeably faster than standard low-output chargers, and its sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability. The minor downside is the lack of advanced fast-charging standards like USB-C power delivery, but for everyday charging needs, it remains an excellent and budget-friendly choice. Coming in at number 3 is the SUPERONE retractable car charger, which combines modern convenience with dependable charging performance. This charger features a retractable cable mechanism that extends smoothly and retracts neatly to prevent clutter. It is engineered to provide stable power output for smartphones and other essential devices while maintaining a compact, dashboard-friendly profile. The build quality feels solid, and the retractable system is designed for repeated use without losing tension or reliability. The SUPERONE retractable car charger is ideal for drivers who value organization and efficiency, especially in smaller vehicles where loose cables can quickly become annoying. It performs consistently during both short trips and longer drives, keeping your devices charged without interruption. While its retractable cable length may feel slightly short for passengers in larger vehicles, it still offers excellent convenience and is absolutely worth buying for most drivers. At number 2, the LISEN retractable car charger delivers a more premium feel and enhanced usability. This charger is designed with a high-quality retractable cable that smoothly locks at various lengths, making it easy to adjust for both driver and passenger use. It offers fast and stable charging performance, supporting modern smartphones and accessories with efficient power delivery. The charger also features a sleek, modern design that blends seamlessly with most vehicle interiors, adding both function and style. In everyday driving scenarios, the LISEN retractable car charger shines thanks to its smooth operation and reliable charging speeds. It is especially well-suited for tech-savvy users who want a tidy setup without sacrificing performance. The only small drawback is its slightly higher price compared to basic chargers, but the improved build quality and convenience more than justify the investment. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the USB-C car charger adapter, a powerful and future-ready option for modern drivers. This charger features USB-C connectivity designed to deliver fast and efficient charging for the latest smartphones, tablets, and even some laptops. It supports advanced fast charging standards, providing significantly quicker power-ups compared to traditional USB chargers. The compact and robust design ensures a secure fit in your car's socket, while built-in safety protections keep your devices safe during charging. What truly sets the USB-C car charger adapter apart is its speed and versatility, making it perfect for drivers who rely heavily on their devices throughout the day. Whether you are navigating long road trips, streaming music, or managing work on the go, this charger keeps up with your demands. While older devices without USB-C cables may require an adapter, the performance and future-proof design make this charger the best overall choice and absolutely worth buying. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all these automobile chargers, and leave a comment letting us know which one you use or plan to buy. Staying charged on the road should never be a struggle, and with the right car charger, every drive becomes smoother, safer, and more connected.